Hi, it's Dax79 here. I'm just going to do a quick review of this silicone mat. It's for cooking and putting down for when you're working on things in the kitchen. Now, I'm a cosplayer, so I actually have been wanting one of these for helping with my Worbla work. Cosplayers use this stuff, Worbla. It's a thermoplastic. And what happens is, when you heat it up, it goes soft. And when it goes cold, it goes hard. And when we've finished projects, we have a lot of these little bits left over. All these little bits. And what you can do, I'll show you, is if you've got one of these silicone mats, you can use them. So I've got some little bits on here. You can see them. We usually get our heat guns and we heat them up. We heat the Worbla up. It's all gone squidgy and soft. See, and when you've got a silicone mat like this, you've got a surface you can work with. But what is really cool is if you get a rolling pin, you can repurpose the Worbla. See? You put your little bits, which we'll do it again. So, you know, we've had a crazy cosplay build. And I've got all these little bits of Worbla. Now the thing is, Worbla costs a lot of money. And because it costs such a lot of money, what I do is I actually save all the little bits. I put them in a little tiny pot when I'm building my cosplayers. So you've got all these bits and you don't know what to do with them. So you just get them all together like so. See it? I'll just throw this in as well. So on your silicone mat that you've just bought, this silicone mat doesn't get damaged from the heat gun. It's brilliant. Okay, you put all your Worbla bits are in there. Great thing about Warblers is the smell you'll get to know. It's like a little, there it is, when you know your Worbla's all ready to go. So you just pop it in there, get your rolling pin on it, so fold it in half. So out of all those little bits that were left over, my helmet or whatever, or when you do the girls making all the breastplates, those little bits left. What you can do is you can leave it on here to dry, to go solid. Or if you're making a cosplayer there and then, you take it off now, you see how it's kind of just at that putty stage. It's a great time for when you want to build something. So then you get whatever you're shaping it of. So you're making whatever it is. Stick it on whatever your object is that you're making. And there you go. Job's a good one. So what you do is you just fold it up, put it back, put it in your cosplay build kit. You know, pop it in a little bag, stick it in the cosplay kit, off you go. Take it with you to a con. Just roll it, pop it out. You know, any of them people just building cosplays in the hotel room, snipping away, collect on them bits in a little plastic container, roll it on here. Remember your rolling pin? Boom. Dax79 out.